Christmas.
On the ninth day of kids cooking, a junior chef said to me,
Second day of kids cooking, a junior chef said to me, I can't wait to
this for my fam. Oh,
this salsa smacks. This isn't for the kids, man.
I keep forgetting.
No. I'm gonna introduce you. You say,
Okay.
"Hi, my name is Will Bryson. Like, I'm really excited to be here." I don't know, whatever you want to say.
Okay.
My favorite food is, I have a mustache.
No. On the ninth day of kids cooking, a junior chef said to me,
I wanna put this quesadilla in my backpack.
it's been an absolute pleasure to be here. And remember, kids, sugar is okay only in moderation.